ProGold XP Online Tutorial. Topic 6. Agent Production and Starting Balances. Requirements: your agent production information and 1099 records. In this topic, we will set up the property production, agent commission, and 1099 balances. The different reports that are used to verify the agent commission levels, agent production, and 1099 balances are also discussed. Creating production history. An agent's commission level is based on several parameters. The plan they are assigned to dictates the type of levels the agent's commission split is based upon, and the type of plan determines what the levels are figured on. For example, the types of levels are company earnings, agent earnings, sales volume, listing volume, total volume, number of units, net commission, and adjusted gross. The commission plan is also affected by the time period that is assigned, directing whether the plan figures on a fixed year basis or revolving monthly or daily. All of these items help to figure the agent-company commission split and may require past closing data to build the basis for the plan. Depending on the commission structure that you use, you may need to create starting balances for agent production, records to build commission levels, and/or 1099 balances. There are two ways to enter production: commission and 1099 balances. The bulk property method is the most common way to enter in balances. Use the bulk property method to establish units, listing selling volume, or 1099 entries, or for establishing levels for commission plans with a fixed time base, single level structure, or those based on units or volume. For commission plans with multiple levels and those with a revolving time base, the commission information will need to be entered into the individual properties. This is especially true if the plan is on a revolving daily time base. For companies with revolving monthly commission plans, the bulk entry can be used, but a separate bulk property must be created for each month to establish the monthly levels. A cutoff date should be selected and the commission or production balances calculated to the cutoff date. This method will be discussed later in this topic. Bulk property entry. The bulk property method consists of entering one bulk property to include all the closing data as of a specific date. In Work with Properties, in the Properties tab, create a new property to enter in the bulk information. In the address field, enter bulk and the name of the agent. Each agent will have their own bulk properties. If bulk properties are being entered by month, then after the agent's name, enter the month and year as well. This allows you to distinguish the bulk properties from real transactions. The cutoff date should also be entered as the close date and the property status set to closed. Also, select Other as the property type. The Agent tab is used to keep the records for 1099 reporting and the commission records. Select the agent as the listing agent and enter in the volume, units, and needed commission fields. The fields for commission information in the Agent tab correspond to the different ways that commission levels can be figured in the commission plans. The AAG is the adjusted gross commission, which is the gross commission income minus outside referral fees. The GAC, or gross agent commission, is the agent earnings, or the amount the agent receives from the split calculation. And company refers to the company earnings, the amount the company receives from the split calculation. Net equals the net commission, which is the agent's net check amount. The rest of the fields refer to 1099 information, such as the 1099 reported earnings, any pre- or post-1099 deductions, and the receivable deduction. This information is to be entered for the period covered. For example, if you are establishing a year-to-date balance, enter the listing volume, units, commission totals, and 1099 information for this agent from the beginning of the year through the cutoff date selected. Also, select the same agent again as the selling agent and enter in the selling totals for the selected time period. For those that need to input the individual property records to establish the commission levels, the property must be added into Work with Properties by clicking New in the upper right area of the property. The original closing information, such as property address, list or sales price, and closing dates should also be entered. Set the property status to Closed and go into the Agent tab at the top of the screen. Select the agent and the side they represented on this transaction and enter in the commission information regarding this property. Do the same for all other properties to establish the commission base. Reports. Once the agent commission details have been entered, there are several reports that will show the agent's production, where they currently stand in their commission plan, and 1099 earnings. In the Property Reports category, the Closed Business Detail Report, Format 1, displays closing detail on an agent for a specific date range. When running this report, select the date range for the selected time period and preview or print the report. It will be sorted by agent and show each of the transactions or bulk properties that are found in the date range. Agent totals for the units, volume, gross, net, company earnings, and 1099 can all be seen on this report. Another similar report is the Closed Business Report GCI. It is sorted in the same way as the previous report and also shows totals for the agent commission information. The difference between the two is that this report shows the gross and adjusted gross commission instead of 1099 information. The agent level report shows what level each agent is currently on in their commission plan, when they will move to the next level, and the current percentages the agent receives of the commission. In the Payroll Reports category is the Agent 1099 Detail Report. In this report, each agent displays on their own page, and listed are all the closed transactions for the agent with the 1099 amount being reported, any pre- or post-1099 deductions, receivables amounts that were taken out of the commission, and the net check the agent received. This can be run at any point to show a year-to-date account of where the agent stands for 1099 reporting. Once the commission and 1099 amounts are entered and verified, the agent's commission plan will calculate on the correct level, and reports will have their balance established for commission details. Click Done at the bottom of the Reports menu to return to the Property menu. Finish entering in your production information and use the reports to verify your balances. For any questions, please contact Taro's Enhancement Help Net at support@taronetwork.com.